The Mercedes-Benz G-Class, commonly known as the G-Wagon, was originally developed as a military vehicle in the 1970s. Its design has remained largely unchanged since its introduction in 1979, maintaining its boxy and rugged look. The G in G-Wagon stands for Geländewagen, which means terrain vehicle in German. It was initially commissioned by the Shah of Iran, who was a major Mercedes-Benz shareholder at the time. The first civilian version was introduced in 1979 due to popular demand. The G-Wagon is one of the longest-running production models in Mercedes-Benz history. It features a body-on-frame construction, making it highly durable and capable off-road. Each G-Wagon is hand-assembled in Graz, Austria, by Magna Steyr. The vehicle is known for its triple-locking differentials, allowing it to handle extreme terrains. It has been used by military forces in over 40 countries. Despite its rugged roots, the modern G-Wagon is known for its luxury, with high-end materials and advanced technology. The AMG versions of the G-Wagon, such as the G63 and G65, are high-performance variants with powerful twin-turbo engines. The G-Wagon has a high resale value due to its popularity and durability. Celebrities and influencers have made it a status symbol, increasing its demand worldwide. The vehicle underwent a major redesign in 2018, improving comfort, technology, and efficiency while maintaining its classic appearance. It is one of the few luxury SUVs that can perform well both on and off the road. The G-Wagon has appeared in numerous movies, music videos, and TV shows as a symbol of wealth and power. Some special edition models, such as the G550 4x4 and the G63 6x6, offer extreme off-road capabilities and unique styling. Mercedes offers a fully electric version of the G-Class called the EQG, set to debut in the near future. The G-Wagon is often customized by high-end tuning companies like Brabus, Mansory, and Lummer Design.